Hi guys, welcome to the MERN Stack series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how we can handle a forgotten password. So here I have a login page. User click this forgot password link. You will this page will get appear, and here we have to give a registered email ID. In this video we will be follow three steps. One is we have to enter a registered email ID. Upon clicking this, a server check if that particular email ID exists in the database. The second step will be, if it does, the server generate a reset token stores in the database along with the reset token expiration time. The third step will be, email will be sent to the user along with that reset token. Once the user receives the email, they have to click that and it redirect to the reset password link. So let's see in the backend here. So I go to the backend. In this model, you will be see in the user. So in the previous tutorial, we had seen the registration and login and how we have protected the links, and also I have connected to the database here. So in the model, we have to add the reset token and also reset token expiration. Here we have to give a date, and this to field has to added, and go to the controller and the routes. In the routes you have to go to the user.js. In this will be a post method, and I have to give a forgot password, and also have to add this in the required method forgot password function. I have to write this and go to this controller auth controller. You will be seeing that forgot password. So here and the requested body, here you go and see in the Chrome. Here I'm just, this is a body of the, in this page this is a body. The client is requesting the email, registered email. So here I'm just giving the email. So we have to check in the database. The first step will be, we have to check in the database. Here go to the database, have this documents in this collection. I have this many documents. So it will check if that particular email ID is exist in the database. If it exists, it's generate a token. Before it's not exist, it will return user not found. So next it generate the token. So here we have to install the dependency called crypto. So here the crypto dot random bytes, it generate a random token. So this token will be stored in the const token. So I have to hash that particular token. Whatever the token it's generating, generated by the crypto random bytes. Here the reset token, we have to give update token. This token I have to give, and also the create hash, it's using a short 256 algorithm. So in this we will be getting the hash of this particular token is stored in the reset token. So this reset token have to store it in the database, this database, uh, the user. So this user dot reset token, in this field, like in the database, you will be getting reset token. In that reset token, that hashed password, hashed token will be stored in that particular reset token, and also expiration time. So the date dot now, the next 1 hour, that link, that token will be available. Next, we have to create a reset link. So in this, we have to give a front end URL, http colon double slash localhost colon 3000. This will be a front end. Here you can give any name here, reset hyphen password. Here we have to send, give a reset token, whatever the token we hashed that token we have to include in this particular link. Next, this link we have to send it to the user mail id. So for that we have to send a mail. We are using a node mailer. We have to use that particular dependency. We have to install it using node hyphen npm space I hyphen space node mailer. We have to install, and we have a transporter object. In this we have to give a smtp. We have whatever the service we are using here. Here smtp we can use services, whatever the service. Here I have used a mail trap, so for sending the email. This is for testing purpose. Here you will be go to this integration. You can create a credential. In this you the host we will be getting smtp dot mailtrap dot io. The port you can use any of this port. Username you have to give your user name, not my account. And you also you have to give a password here. So this details I have entered in this .env. So here smtp underscore host and port number and user and then password and name and the email. You can give any name here. The email will be no reply at gmail.com. So go to that auth controller, and in the transporter, so you have to give details of this smtp host port and user and then password, which will be get in this particular mail trap. You have to create an account and you will be find this credential here in this. And once you have created and you've done this, and you have to send a mail using this method called send mail. And here you have to give the email details, so from and the recipient and the subject and the. Here they have given a html. In this format you will be getting this particular link. So this link will be, so in here you can see this recent link I have to send to the email. So this email, so of whatever the email which we have typed here, that user will be getting the receiving this mail. And once they have user clicks that particular link, it redirect to the reset password page. So here, so just we will in this I have a Thunder client, so we will check whether this backend is working fine or not. So just go to the extension, and so and here I have a post method. So here you have to give a link like http colon double slash localhost 5000. My server is running on this port number. My route is API slash auth. This is forgot. So I have to give a registered email ID right here. So once I send this, we will be getting a reset token. And also, so here we will be getting the send. So it's processing. So the password reset link sent to your email. So just before going to check in the email, we will see here. So here my email id is rom@gmail.com. So here, so once I refresh it, you will be seeing the reset token along with the reset expiration time. So here I'm just refreshing it, and you will be see. So the reset token here, it's generated, and also the expiration time. Here you can see the password reset link sent to your email. Go to that, and you will be getting that. Uh, and once you click this, this will be directed to your reset password page. So this is not have done, but it's go to this particular reset password. Like next video we will be seeing how we can reset password. So now in the front end, the API we have checked, it's working fine. So in the front end, so here I have the have to go to the particular components. In this component I have a forgot password. So in this, so here I have a one input field, one which is email, and here I have a button send email. So once I have clicked that send email, so it we have to use the access.post method. So here I have to give this link. This request is go to this and URL, and we have to include this email. I have created a useState variable email. So email which we have type in the request dot body, that email we have to give. So once it's successful, its mail has been sent, otherwise we will be get an error. Here in the database you will be seeing radha at gmail.com. I want to change the password of this. I forgot this password, so I have to create a reset link, a reset token, also reset expiration time. So here for that I have to go to the React app, and if I type radha radha at gmail.com, once I send this, and you will be getting a message, mail has been sent, and you check in the database. Once I refresh it, you will be seeing the reset token, and reset token expiration has generated. So this is how we can generate a token and expiration time. So first step we have to follow in the back end, we have to give. So in the auth controller, so we have to give a registered email ID. If it is exist in the database, it generate the token. We have to uh, install the dependency called crypto, and also once the token is being generated, we have to hash that particular reset link. That hashed token will be stored in this reset token. This is a hashed password, hashed token. So also I have to save this in the database. For that I have to give us dot save. And also once I have generated the token, I have to once we have to send the link send the link to the particular user mail id. So for that we have a node mailer in which we can send the mail from the node.js. So here we have a transporter, so we have to give a mail services. Here we have a mail trap we are using. So here we are using a smtp service. Here I have a details of host, password. Everything is inside the .env, and once we have given all these things, we have to send the mail id using a send mail method. And so here you can give any name, smtp from name you can give. It's everything is in the .env. And here the smtp from mail, which is a no reply at gmail.com. So once it's sent, the password reset link will be sent to your mail id. So here in the front end, so we have to create a one button and one input field. Once I have clicked this, submit this email, this url will be requesting the server, and it send we have to give this email, and if it's successful, the mail has been sent, otherwise error occurred.